Imagine you're sitting in a bustling coffee shop, surrounded by freelancers typing away on their laptops and business owners scrolling through their inventory management systems on their devices. Now, imagine you're the owner of that device, a Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer. You need a seamless blend of performance, connectivity, and aesthetics to keep up with the demands of your work or your family's streaming habits. Does such a device exist? In this review, I'll take a close look at the Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer. The pain point for many is trying to find a device that strikes a balance between power, display quality, and price. The rise of remote work has led to increased demand for all-in-one desktops that can seamlessly integrate the functions of a monitor, computer, and keyboard into one compact design. This is especially true for business owners, remote workers, and families who need reliable equipment that can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Let's start with the initial impressions of this device. The Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer has a sleek and modern design that will fit perfectly in any modern workspace or living room. The monitor is a 27-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS display that offers wide viewing angles and vibrant color representation. This makes it perfect for editing product photos, reviewing design mockups, or binge-watching your favorite shows with crystal-clear visuals. The display also features a decent 99.6% sRGB color gamut and a high response time of 5 milliseconds. Moving on to the build quality, the Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer's sturdy and compact design is made of high-quality metal and plastic materials. The device is relatively lightweight, weighing in at just around 24 pounds, making it easy to move around the office or home. Connectivity options include 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack, providing ample opportunities for peripherals and external devices. Let's dive deeper into the features that make this device so compelling. Firstly, we have the Core 7 processor 150U, which delivers responsive performance for a wide range of tasks, from small business owners managing inventory to students researching papers. This processor offers 4 cores and 8 threads with a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and a boost clock speed of up to 4.4 GHz. This level of performance ensures seamless multitasking and rapid execution of demanding tasks, making it an excellent choice for creatives, business owners, and remote workers. Additionally, this device boasts 16 GB DDR5 RAM, which provides ample memory for all your applications, web browsers, and background processes. DDR5 RAM is the latest technology in memory, offering significant power efficiency and bandwidth improvements over its predecessors. The result is rapid switching between applications, fewer pauses, and seamless execution of memory-intensive tasks. Another standout feature of this device is its Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, which provides unparalleled wireless speed and reliability. The new 6E band offers an additional 5 GHz band, which significantly reduces interference and congestion on public networks. Wi-Fi 6E ensures lightning-fast wireless connectivity, making it an ideal choice for users who depend on internet connectivity for work or entertainment. One of the key innovations of this device is AI Copilot, a cutting-edge AI technology that helps optimize system performance, power usage, and even security. AI Copilot learns your usage patterns and adjusts system settings accordingly to provide an exceptional user experience. This AI technology is constantly learning and adapting, which means you can expect improved performance and efficiency over time. Now, let's consider the real-world testing of this device. I tested this device in various scenarios, including multitasking, graphics-intensive tasks, and demanding applications. The results were impressive, with rapid execution and smooth performance across all tasks. I also tested the device's display in various lighting conditions and found it to be consistently bright and color accurate, making it perfect for editing photos, working on graphics, or video content creation. However, it's essential to acknowledge the trade-offs involved in this device. Firstly, While the display is excellent, it's not as bright or color accurate as the flagship models from Dell's Alienware X series. Additionally, the Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, while impressive, is still subject to limitations in densely populated areas or with multiple devices competing for bandwidth. Pros and cons aside, how does the Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer stack up against competing options in the market? The HP Envy curved 34-inch AIO is an excellent competitor, with a more comprehensive connectivity suite and a higher refresh rate display. However, its performance pales in comparison to this Core 7 processor 150U beast. The Lenovo ThinkCentre M80Q Tiny, on the other hand, is a compact device that's perfect for space-constrained workspaces, but its display and performance are compromised as a result of its compact design. In conclusion, the Dell 27 all-in-one desktop computer is an exceptionally powerful machine that perfectly balances performance, display quality, and aesthetics. The Core 7 processor 150U, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity make it an ideal choice for business owners, creatives, students, or anyone in need of a reliable computer for demanding tasks. If you're in the market for an exceptional all-in-one desktop computer, look no further than the Dell 27. With its exceptional build quality, robust performance, and comprehensive connectivity options, this device is sure to exceed your expectations.